Hey guys, what's going on? Lucky here. So it's been a minute since I've made any videos on YouTube, so I figured I would just do a little project update. Spent last week on Hot Rod Garage, finishing up the new season's first episode, which is going to be a wonderful time. You'll all thoroughly enjoy it. And earlier today, and I think tomorrow, I'll be buttoning up a little project for Roadkill while they're out doing, they've done about 90% of the work on this project. They just needed a couple of things buttoned up, some simple stuff, so I'm doing that while they're out doing what they do. I'm getting ready to go to SEMA, so I figured I would help them out. Happy to do it. Here's what's going on in my shop. So there's the 64 coming along nicely. I already did an update video on that. Wagon is out of the dirt and back in here. It's a driver. There's Grant's 57, really nice. If you guys recall, I wired and fired that thing a while back and started putting some stuff together on it. Got it pretty close to done. It had to go to upholstery, so it went over to upholstery, and he's not happy with that. It's a complete entry-level upholstery job. So it is going to I don't know, come out, go somewhere else. Don't know, but I'm going to do some little tuning issues, get the AC blowing cold, and then my obligation over there is all done. It will be a fun driver, and he can get the interior figured out. I got a pallet. That used to be about 4 feet tall. We're down to 2.5 feet, I think. There's some more stuff right there. That is all for this 69 Camaro. Has a big block 427 in it, has full Detroit speed suspension front to rear. Amazing installation, great craftsmanship. It came to me in a box with the suspension installed. So the shop that it was at, I'm not a name dropper, but they did great work. It looks amazing. But I guess it was there for a long time getting body work done and prep for paint, and just wasn't moving forward. So the customer pulled it out of there, brought it over here. I don't know what he's gonna do about paint and body. I don't do that stuff, but I am gonna put it together and make a driver out of it. I already started putting all the windows in, dashboard, vintage air, fuel injection. It's gonna be a wire and fire. I took the motor out. I just painted the engine bay the other day. I'll post some pictures on this video. And it's not show quality, it's just a nice driver. It's what I build, fun drivers. Make them so nice you don't want to drive them anywhere. Or they're so sketchy you're scared to drive them anywhere. But this one will be a fun driver, a bit of everything. So yeah, 427 bored out, manual transmission, coated headers, full exhaust systems coated, looks great. Big Willwood brakes, some redline wheels, lots of cool stuff on this car. And it's going together. Came in a box, and I'm going to put it together, drive it around for a few days, shake it down, and then call the guy. He lives in Oregon. I'm lucky enough that he just sat in the car for a while until I had a window over here, and I figured I'd just squeeze him in and out, try to get him done before SEMA. But it's going to go a little over. Won't be done in time for SEMA, but it'll be done pretty soon. And that's really about it. What else is going on in here? Yeah, that's it. The pile's going to get smaller. The shop that was at, I will say, are very professional. They bagged and tagged everything, so it's just a matter of digging through the bags and reading where the parts went. And they took this thing all the way down to shell. Just bare shell. Real high-end work. But I think it was there for 4 years or something. And I don't know, not everybody has the patience for that. I don't. I would drive a rusty primer bucket before I let it sit anywhere for 4 years. But we're gonna slap it together. I will say all the rust is fixed. Everything's metal finished, so they do great work. There's no doubt about it. The bumpers are Frenched, or not Frenched, but tucked right in. And I just wouldn't have the patience for it. Apparently this guy ran out of patience too. So that's it. That's what's going on right now. Thanks for checking out the videos. Don't forget to like, share, leave a comment. I'd like to hear what you got to say about whatever you got to say about. And that's it. Thanks, guys. See you later.